So this box isn't as fancy as the other one. I think this is their old packaging. It's got foam, but we don't need that. Hardware. Every keyboard always comes with hardware. I guess I'll zoom in. For the plate, I've got a polycarbonate plate. It also comes with an aluminum or brass, but they sent me polycarb. I didn't choose these parts. KBD fans was just like, I'm gonna send it to her and we'll see what she does. PCB, kbd75 hot swap. Thank goodness it's hot swap because I don't solder things on stream. There's nothing in here, just bubble wrap. And then they also included case foam and plate foam, but I don't know if we'll be using those. And then the case. So a nice rose gold color. Not what I expected, but I appreciate it. I like it. I like it. USB-C port on the top left. And on the website, it said tray mount. But looking at it, I think it's top mount. Little X on the back for style. Let me move the box. Is it heavy? Yes, it is heavy. I mean, look at that strain there of my fingers. It is heavy. More opportunities for peer pressure. Yes, that's right. Style. Okay, first I wanted to see how much this would possibly cost. Which means you guys have to go over there. And then here we go. Okay, so this is the kit that they sent me. 3.1, $220. Let's make sure it's right. Rose gold, hot swap PCB, polycarbonate plate, $220. Oh, but look. Free shipping over $500 US. Too bad this isn't exactly $500. So $220 for the kit. And then Kiwis are, I don't know how much they cost.